Hey DIYers, we just want to share with you some behind the scenes footage of how we prepare for a project. As you can already see, we're at Home Depot.
They stocked it up, didn't they?
They sure did, and we're here to get as many as we can. We saw that mulch is on sale, 4 bags for $10, so we had to get some.
How many are we going to get, babe?
Say it again?
How many are we going to get?
12, I think.
Okay.
At first I said we're going to get 12 bags, but we ended up getting 14 bags. So now we're off to pay for the bags and load them onto the truck. This is where the fun begins. I don't have a lot of things in the bed of my truck. I'm just trying to open the cover and set things up. Did you know that mulch is made of wood and each of these bags weighs about 40 pounds? The bags aren't super heavy, but you still gotta make sure not to hurt your back. If you have a large yard that you're trying to cover, after a while you'll probably be tired from doing this. But don't give up, because you're going to have the best yard in the neighborhood. Most of the time you have to prep the area before you do your actual project, so we pulled up the weeds before we laid the mulch. My wife is such a trooper. Before you say anything, yes, I did help. You know what? I forgot to tell you that was our second time back at Home Depot. We were there because we had to get more mulch for the spots we missed the first time. You should know that that's the life of a DIYer. If you're fixing up your home yourself, you're probably going to become acquainted with your home improvement store, because you may go there several times just in one day. This tree really needed some mulch. It's looking a little dry, or what I would call crusty. I wasn't taught how to install mulch. All I did was cut the bag open and pour it onto the ground. I knew I could do it because I didn't think it was rocket science. I like how quiet it is and how you can just hear the birds chirping. To me, that's so relaxing. This is something that you want to do if you like to garden or if you just want your front lawn to look nice. We wear gloves when doing outdoor projects because of this right here.
Yeah.
It's kind of like when you were a kid and you were playing in the sand, you're gonna get some on your hands. I gotta tell you, I'm starting to like the way this is turning out. It looks like the red mulch complements the green grass and the green bushes. Everything's starting to come together. It may take some time to do this, but being outside is really good for you. Did you know that mulch helps improve soil health, conserves moisture, suppresses weeds, and regulates the soil temperature? Now, I'm not going to tell you that it gets rid of your weeds, but it does suppress the weeds. I'm laying this mulch because as it decomposes, it adds organic matter to the soil, and I like the fact that it slowly releases nutrients as it breaks down. This is a great natural source of food for plants. Today I'm just going to show you some of the things that we did at the house here, and we put down some of the rocks right here you can see, and this mulch. So we're trying to get this lawn looking a whole lot better. And right now, I put down a bunch of mulch, trimmed all the bushes and stuff. We're doing the grass. So we're just going to come over here and take a look. So we're redoing this grass over here. And I want you to see what we did to the mulch. So we redid some of this mulch right here, and we did it around the house. And I'm getting this grass in a certain way so that it starts looking a whole lot better. So we're getting it treated. And right now it's starting to turn out. It's just looking really good. And so we got that mulch down there. There was a sale that just went on at Home Depot. They had 4 for $10, 4 bags for $10. And so we just redid all of this right there. My wife likes this tree. Well, not the tree, because the tree is about to die. Look at that. They said that this, our neighbors told us that this tree is actually, what is it during Christmas time that you go underneath it and you, mistletoe, that's what it was. So this is a mistletoe tree right here, but I think it's about to die. So there we go. You can look at the tree right there. Look at this. So we're gonna actually take this tree up. And this one right here, this bush right here is crazy. This bush right here is huge. It gets like huge, like that. And I did these bushes over here. Let's check these out. So I did these bushes right here. And hey, and right there, that looks nice. I like that right there. Had to cut this down. And then I also did, just so you know, I recently, what was it, 2 days ago, I guess, I just pressure washed this driveway because it was really dirty. So it was extremely dirty. So I just pressure washed the driveway. And that's a few things that we're doing right now for these projects that we're working on. And so I just want you guys to know what's going on with DIY Power Couple while we're putting out other videos. Right now, we're just trying to just get this house looking nice for the spring. So I hope you like it. And I'll talk to you guys soon. See you later. Bye.